This is Starcross station in South Devon, on the South Devon main line. The original station was opened in 1846 by the South Devon Railway. At that time the whole line was single track. It was also Brunel's 7-foot 0.25 inch gauge. Just in the distance there is the old pumping station for the atmospheric railway that ran for roughly 1 year, 1847, 1848. This is the only surviving pumping engine that was actually in use for the South Devon Railway. The idea was that you used atmospheric pressure by creating a vacuum in a pipe in the middle of the rail so that locomotives weren't required. For a number of reasons it didn't work, but it had worked successfully in other sites. Starcross station is also unusual, and it links up with a ferry, very ancient ferry, cutting from here across the Exe estuary to Exmouth.